AFT is proud to announce the launch of a new membership data management system called AFT Connect. Connect is an easy-to-use system designed to help locals manage and leverage data in support of efforts to build and strengthen their union. Connect is designed to support key union functions, including organizing new members and agency fee conversion, tracking membership engagement, including conversations, surveys, event participation, and activist and officer roles, dues and per cap accounting, community outreach, political legislative action, and much more. Connect is a comprehensive solution that not only includes basic database capacities for managing individuals and affiliates within an easy-to-use interface, but also includes data integration from other sources. Connect also allows local affiliates to establish their own user roles and permission levels and to generate custom reports. Let's take a closer look. Connect can be accessed from any internet-connected device, including phones, tablets, and PCs. Each individual's username and password will determine what local or locals they have access to and what permission level they have. For the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to log in as an affiliate admin to have full access to all of Connect's features. The first screen a user comes to when accessing Connect is the dashboard. The dashboard is made up of a number of different gadgets. The real power of Connect, though, lies in the tabs at the top of the screen. The Individual tab can be used to manage all individual data. The Employer tab manages employment information. Organizations manages external organizations. The Affiliate tab is for managing information associated with individual locals or chapters. Users can also create events, create surveys or forms, manage users, or generate reports. Most Connect users will have access to just one local, but some users, such as state federation leaders or staff, may have access to multiple locals. This section will allow them to pick what local they want to be working in. The Plus feature on the dashboard allows users to add new records to the database, such as adding individuals, adding employers, external organizations, events, forms, or to create new reports. Users also have the ability to manage their own account from the dashboard. Access to all of the functions at the top of the screen are based on user roles and permissions. Let's take a closer look at managing individuals. Clicking on the Individual tab brings the user to the Overview page for managing individuals. This page consists of 4 key elements: a grid that displays records and specific information about each record, a filter set that allows you to filter what records appear in the grid, an action bar that allows you to apply specific actions to records that appear in the data set, and finally the wheel that allows the user to determine what fields will display in the data set, and also a wheel that allows users to determine what fields they want to filter on. The Overview page is an excellent tool to support organizing and membership outreach. Let's say that I'm a local leader and I'm going to visit Hoover Hall tomorrow. I can use the filter to select Hoover Hall and to filter my data set to only those records of members within Hoover Hall. I could export this list, or I could click one button to send them an email letting them know I will be in their worksite tomorrow. In addition, I could create an event that is attached to these records or emailed to these individuals, or I could create a survey that I could send to these individuals in advance of my visit. But let's say I wanted to get even more granular and make sure that I visit both the members and the agency fee payers at this location. Using the relationship filter, I could select agency fee, click search, and I now have a record set for all people at Hoover Hall who are agency fee payers. Let's take a closer look at the kind of information AFT Connect tracks on individuals. At any time, a user can click on the name of an individual displayed in the grid to access that individual's record. Let's select Jessica Banning. The detail page for Jessica Banning's record includes summary information at the top and specific sections for detailed information below. Under contact information, users can track an unlimited number of physical addresses, email addresses, phones, or social media handles. The affiliate section is where the user can manage the relationship between this individual and the union, including their membership status and dues category. This section will also display any leadership position this individual has, as well as whether they serve on any committees. Connect also displays all political information we receive from the LAN. The employer section is used to track the individual's relationship to the employer, including details such as the work locations and any job classification information. Connect allows users to track the relationship between individuals and any external organizations. Connect also allows users to track work schedules, individuals' participations in union events, or quick comments associated with individuals, and to set up automatic reminders for follow-up. Connect will display any historical assessment ratings as well as the dates of those ratings. The Forms section is used to capture any information collected on surveys, for example, this bargaining survey. Finally, Connect will display Action Network data, any custom fields that have been created by the affiliate to attach to individual records, and it also allows users to upload files associated with individual records, for example, scanned copies of membership cards. Now let's take a look at how Connect users can manage data associated with affiliates. We'll begin by clicking on the Affiliate tab. This brings us to an overview page that is very similar to the one for individuals. It displays a grid of all of the affiliates associated with this local, including the local itself plus any subchapters. There's a filter option as well as an action bar and the wheel. We're going to select the training local DC 101. This will bring us to the detail page. As with individuals, opening up an affiliate detail page begins with summary information, followed by more detailed information, including information on tracking officer roles and managing those officer roles, tracking information related to staff, managing information related to chapters, as well as tracking basic contact information about the affiliate. Under the affiliate section, local affiliates can create custom dues categories as long as they are mapped to the state and national categories. Affiliates can also create union committees and associate activists with those committees. For example, these are the individuals who are currently part of this affiliate's Worksite Leader Committee. Finally, under the Affiliate Detail section, Connect users can associate different employers with this affiliate, manage affiliate options, and create custom fields that display at the individual level. Under the Employer tab, the overview page has a grid for all employers that this user has access to, filter, and the action bar. We're going to take a look at one employer, South Columbia University. Clicking on that employer brings us to the detail page. The detail page will provide a visual representation of the employment detail structure, with both work locations, structure, and job category displaying. These elements can be edited by selecting the Edit button and by choosing which option you want to edit, whether it's location, structure, or categories. Let's take a very quick look at a few remaining features. The Organizations tab allows you to manage external organizations that your members may be part of. You can add additional external organizations by selecting the plus sign and add external organizations. Events are managed under the Event tab, and new events can be added by clicking the plus sign and clicking Add Event. The Form tab is used to manage any surveys that have been created for your affiliate. New surveys are created by clicking the plus sign and clicking Add Form. The process of creating a survey is as simple as selecting a question type, dragging it into the preview area, and then editing the question or the answer options. Connect is set up so that every affiliate will have the ability to create and manage their own users and determine what roles and permission levels each of those users has.